Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about graphs of some basic functions. So these are the basic functions. Basic in the sense that these are commonly used functions in our studies of algebra. The first one we have here is y equals x, whose graph is simply a straight line going through the origin. The second one is a parabola, again going through the origin, looking like this one. Of course, the first one should also extend indefinitely. The third one is y equals x cubed. It will look like this one. And it should go through the origin. The fourth one is cubic root of x. So it will look like so this is the graph of cubic root of x. The next one is square root of x. So the graph will look like this one. The next one is 1 over x, which has graph like this one. It comes in two pieces. So these are the very commonly used functions and their graphs. A little extension here. So for example, so if the function is y equals x to 4, it will have a very similar graph. Or if you have y equals x to n, where n is even, all these graphs will look like this one. And the same thing here, if you have the function y equals x to n with n odd, then all the graphs will look like this one. If you have y equals nth root of x with n odd, the graph will again look like this one. If you have y equals nth root of x with n even, it will look like this one. And over here, if you have y equals 1 by x to n with n odd, the graph will look like this one. And if n is even, you will have, let's quickly do the graph of n even on the same axis. So if n is even, this will become positive. So this part goes up here, and you will have this part over here. So if y is 1 over x to n with n even, we get a graph like this one. Let's look at some of these graphs using our TI calculator. So here is my TI 84 plus. Okay, let me clear, that's already here. So we go to y equals, and let me clear this. So let's try x to 4. X to 4. Hit enter, and let's graph. So it's again a parabola. To get a better view, we can have a smaller y window, maybe like negative 10 to 10, a little bigger x window, negative 10, so negative 5 to 5. Hit graph. Okay, so this is again a parabola. Even if you try y equals x to 20, it will still have similar graph. So hit graph, is thinking. So it's really stressed parabola, but the overall nature is still the same. So it's actually like this one. So it's again a parabola. Now let's try y equals x to 5. So we want to have a graph like this one for x to 5 also. Let's see if that's the case. So we get a graph similar to this one that we already have here. So y equals x to 5 also, the graph looks like the one for y equals x cubed. All right, so these are the very commonly used functions and their graphs, and it's very useful. They come in very handy if we can remember these graphs. And this is all I have put together in this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.